In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtitles on Pluto TV. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here on your Pluto TV and you should be able to see the CC option or this particular icon. When you click on it, you should be able to see right here the subtitle settings wherein you can change the font style, font size, font color, opacity, shadows, background colors, and the likes. I have in here the support article from Pluto TV themselves showing us how to do this. Just make sure to turn on the subtitles right here and you should be able to access the closed captioning on your Pluto TV. So you can also access it through your iOS, iPadOS, macOS, or tvOS. You can just select the episode, click on the closed captioning icon right here and open it. Same thing with your Android, but since in this video our actual focus is on TB, proceed to just head over and then choose right here to turn on the subtitles. Click on subtitle settings in order to change the settings for your actual subtitles right here. So that's how you add subtitles on Pluto TV. Hope we helped.